I love strawberries. Why don't we make a strawberry latte today?
That's a good idea.
Yay! Okay, what do we need?
We need fresh strawberries and some milk. Let's say that together.
We need fresh strawberries and some milk. We need fresh strawberries and some milk.
We need something sour too.
Like what?
Listen and say, lemon juice. Lemon juice.
A strawberry latte is sweet.
How can we make it sweet?
Repeat, please. Add some sugar. Sugar is sweet. Add some sugar. Sugar is sweet.
This latte will be yummy.
I'm so excited. Let's start.
First, let's cut the strawberry stems.
What are the stems?
Stems are the green part of the strawberries.
Cut the stem, 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 cut. Strawberries into the bowl.
Wait, not yet. We need to cut the strawberries in half.
Ooh, let's cut the strawberries in half. Repeat together, please. Let's cut the strawberries. Let's cut the strawberries.
Now can we add them to the bowl?
Yes, but not all. We need to save some aside for later.
What are we doing with it later?
You'll see.
Put some strawberries in the bowl and cut the rest into small pieces.
I'm ready to mash, mash, mash. Can you say mash, mash, mash?
Mash, mash, mash.
Wait, hold your horses. We need to add some sugar.
Let's add some sugar.
Wow, that looks like snow.
That's true. That's so pretty.
Okay, now it's ready to mash. Mash, mash, mash the strawberries, mash, mash, mash the strawberries, mash, mash, mash the strawberries, mash, 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 mash. Mash, mash, mash the strawberries, mash, mash, mash the strawberries, mash, mash, mash the strawberries, mash, 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 mash.
Now what do we do?
We need to add some lemon juice.
Should I pour this much?
No, that's too much.
We're not making lemonade.
Should I pour this much?
Yes, just a little. Say it again. Just a little. Just a little.
Lattes are special. What do we need for our latte?
Foam for our latte. Listen and repeat. Let's make some foam. Let's make some foam.
Cup in the middle.
Do you like milk? I love milk.
Yes, I do. What's next? Mix with a spoon?
No, not a spoon. Mix the milk with a foamer. Let's say that together.
Mix the milk with a foamer. Mix the milk with a foamer.
Make some foam with a foamer.
Now, let's put everything together.
What goes first? Listen and say.
Strawberry syrup in the cup. Strawberry syrup in the cup.
Next, add the milk.
Pour the milk. Slow and easy. Let's say that together.
Pour the milk. Slow and easy. Pour the milk. Slow and easy.
Add the foam. Let's say that together.
Add the foam. Add the foam.
Add some strawberries on top. Ta-da!
Wow! What did we make today?
Today, we made a strawberry latte.
You should try it.
Uh-oh. Only one?
We need one more.
One more latte, please.
How do strawberry lattes taste?
Strawberry lattes are sweet and delicious. Strawberry lattes are sweet and delicious.